2.59 कोटींच्या गवळी वखदा तस्करी प्रकरणात आणि बेकायदेशीरपणान राबितो करून आशिल्ल्या 3 स्वीडिश नागरिकांक गवळी वखदा विरोधी पंगडान अटक केली. आंद्रेज लॉरेन्झो कॅलिक, सॅमी आंतेरो हिल्डन तानास्केनेन आणि जॉयल इमॅन्युएल कार्लस्ट्रॉम अशी दुबावितांची नांवां जावन आसात. तांचे कडल्यान LSD लिक्वीड, LSD पेपर, केटामाइन लिक्वीड आणि केटामाइन पावडर धरून सुमार 2.5 कोटींची गवळी वखदा जप्त केल्यात. सोमारा राती 9:30 सुमार मालवाडो हरमल हांगासर धाड घालून तांकां अटक केल्या. महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार हे तिगूय दुबावीत बेकायदेशीरपणान राबितो करून आशिल्ले. तांच्या मदल्या सामी आंतेरो हिल्डन तानास्केनेन हाच्या पासपोर्टाची वैधता काबार जाल्ली. पुलिशेन गवळी वखदा विरोधी कायद्या खाला तिगाय आड गुन्यांव नोंद केला. फुडलो तपास चालू आसा.
Last night we have raided one more, wherein we have rounded up, taken in custody 3 Swedish nationals. All 3 Swedish nationals are without visa. They are overstaying. They are found in possession of 24.8 grams of LSD liquid worth rupees 2.5 crores. Then 70 pieces of LSD paper worth rupees 7 lakhs. We have also got 49.3 grams of ketamine liquid worth 2.5 lakhs. We have also got ketamine powder 1.5 grams worth rupees 15,000. So total worth of the drug seized is 2 crore 59 lakh 65,000. We have right now our team has gone to the court along with the accused for obtaining remand for further investigation into this case.
He is staying in Goa for how many months or years?
Last 3 years.
Now they are overstaying, like they don't have.
As of today, they are overstaying.
Where the profession?
Where they are staying?
They were staying in Arambol, Madlavada, Arambol.
What they were doing in business or just tourism?
We are presently investigating. So full night our team also has worked and full morning, and now team has gone. So investigation will continue.
गौरेश गांवकरा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.